Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you how to fill up the coolant. This one is special video for the lady only because sometimes I have my cousin, sometimes she want to fill up the coolant for the BMW Mercedes, but she didn't know where to put on. And sometimes maybe it's the border from husband or brother, and maybe they get mad, right, sometimes. So anyway, I want to do this video special for lady only. The men are own, they know already anyway. So the men don't need to. But the lady, you need to like special for a European car. You have to buy the green coolant. You buy anything like green coolant, not the deck coolant, like the red one, not the red one. The European one, you the green coolant. Any coolant you can buy from dealer, buy from. If you live in Canada, you can buy from Parkshaw, Canadian Tire, whatever. You have to tell them what car you need. That with this car is 2010 Mercedes C300. Okay, so now it filled up the coolant very easy. You open the hood, and then I'm going to show you over here. There's a coolant tank over here, right here. I have to do another video for the windshield washer fluid too, because some lady they don't know how to put the windshield washer fluid. Even my wife, she didn't know how to turn the headlight either. Anyway, so I do a quick video for this one. The coolant over here, the only you check to open the cap only when it cold, when it cool out. Don't do it when hot, because when they hot they build the pressure. So wait for cool out. You open the cap like this. Okay, and you fill up the coolant. Okay, this car is full because I need my friend. This car is, I do example, right? So open the cap, fill up the coolant over here. Okay, right in the level they have the sensor because a little bit low they send a message on the dash. So after you fill up, and make sure you take them out. If you're not strong enough, like your hand, I know you're not your hand strong, you get some rack like this, take them up. That's it. Make sure tight. That's it. Done. So the coolant on the left side depend the car on the year model. It's some European car on the right side, some European car on the driver's side. So depend. You have to looking for that they have. Usually, you know when the coolant jug, like the tank, you know what exactly they say. Do not open when it's hot. That means the coolant tank over there. Okay, so that just show you guys. So I'm going to make another video for the windshield washer fluid, the same for the kind of car. Okay, so thank you very much for your watching my video. I see you next video for the windshield washer fluid. Bye.